Good afternoon. I'm calling this PHS Afternoon News Today for Wednesday, September 25th. Picture retake day will be on Monday, September 30th from 8:30 to 9:30. Students who did not get their photo taken on the first day need to do this at this time. Any student wanting to retake their photo should plan to get their photo taken then as well. Kickball intramural sign-up forms have been sent to your email. Get your team together to sign up as an individual and be placed on teams. Sign-ups will end September 27th and games will be played on October 2nd. FCCLA will be holding a blood drive on October 2nd in the lower gymnasium. Any student 16 or older who would like to donate must sign up through the email link Ms. Manship sent out last week. If you are 16 and plan to donate, please pick up a parent permission slip from Ms. Manship, Ms. Andrea, or Ms. Grabner in the main office. If you have any questions about the blood drive, please see Ms. Manship. Paoli Student Council will be having Powder Puff Football October 21st at 7 p.m. Sign up in the office by the 14th. Macho Man Volleyball will be October 2nd at 7 p.m. Sign-ups will also be in the office and you need to be signed up by the 21st. I'm calling this your afternoon news. Have a fantastic day.